You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this museum in Jerusalem, Israel. If you want to learn more names of famous places and useful vocabulary from Hebrew, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you want to listen to and learn from. Yad, from Hebrew pronunciation, how to pronounce Yad Vashem. In English, the pronunciation is similar. Yad Vashem, Yad Vashem, Yad Vashem. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.